Kawang'iyo kaunti noendo ma Kisumu ni rowere mopogore opogore e kaunti noendo ma Kisumu osedho paro mar chik mane ogol kod riwruok mar East Africa Community kotenore kod nyodo kaachiel kod ngima mar oganda e higa niendi. Rowere go eko osiro paro mar chik noero kagi yango ni koro parono en paro maber kendo koro okwedo mago eko magin timbe maricho kendo ojiwo ng'ado bura man kod joneno e weche motenore kod rocho ratiro mag rowere ma higi pok oromo 18. Bende giwacho ni chik noero omiyo mijing'o wechego eko wechego eko motenore kod iye ma ohiu e kind rowere, jogo modak kod ng'ol kod bende joma moko kaachiel kod bende ratiro mag joma chuo kotenore kod wechego eko mag nyodo kanyakla gi mago bende achiedh nadi magiyudo e kinde ka kinde. Maendi kaka ne wachno chal e kaunti ma Kisumu.
From the health, human rights, children rights, and women rights sectors in Kisumu County. We wish to express our unwavering support for the East African Community Sexual and Reproductive Health Bill 2021. As stakeholders working directly with communities in East Africa, we are firmly aware of the worrying situation in the region as evidenced by prevailing data. Currently, the unmet need for reproductive health services in East Africa includes but is not limited to 51 million women.
Adolescent pregnancy is one of the development-related challenges that denies the young from realizing the growth aspirations of being productive citizens to themselves and their communities at large. The Kenya Demographic and Health Survey show that 1 out of 5 girls begin having children before their 19th birthday or have already given birth. Between January and March 2021, there were 7,754 adolescent girls aged 10 to 14 who presented with pregnancy and attended their first ANC visit in health facilities across the country.
The bill seeks to protect and facilitate the attainment of wholesome life course sexual and reproductive health and rights anchored as part of the universal health coverage of partner states. We proudly endorse the proposed bill that prohibits harmful practices and prioritizes evidence-based interventions that, among others, address teenage pregnancies, protect persons with disabilities, promote school re-entry for adolescent girls after pregnancies, protect the elderly persons, safeguard menstrual hygiene, and enable the prioritization of men's reproductive.
Personalized efforts to improve the reproductive health status of their citizens through various interventions, including health systems strengthening, legal and policy reforms. There are still disparities in the progress. The continued existence of these disparities goes against the vision of the East Africa Community, which is to be a prosperous, competitive, secure, and united East Africa. So, the health and well-being of the citizens of the 6 states is one of the most important assets of the region, without which the other aspirations, including common markets, custom unions, monetary union, and political federation, will continue to elude the community.
We are confident in your commitment to uphold the right and to the highest attainable standard of reproductive health care, right to information and untimely defined lives, and call upon the Assembly to prioritize and debate and enactment of the East Africa Community Sexual Reproductive Health Bill of 2021.